In 2009, something changed. It changed because at that time we gave ourselves the vision and the idea that we would like to transform the entire company to sustainable business. That made a big difference for us all. Difference was, it was our core business, it was our core. Sustainability was everywhere. That made the difference at that time. And we are responsible, and we are also responsible because of the textile industry in which we are dealing. We are producing textiles. We are responsible for the environment and all the things we are causing due to that fact. This is our range. We are producing outdoor wear. We are producing from head to toe everything, and also outdoor gear like backpacks or tents or sleeping bags or many other products. So here you can see this is something we are responsible because, of course, textile industry, we all know it needs chemicals, it needs a lot of stuff which is responsible for all that things we are seeing here on the slide. It's plastic waste, it's environmental pollution. It's also responsible for climate crisis and many other things which are not that good for our environment. We at VAUDE understand our responsibility in all three dimensions, and that's since the beginning. It was always the discussion, what means sustainability for VAUDE? What is it? And for us, it's equal balance between social, environmental, and economical topics. That means if we're talking about goal conflicts or things like how can we do it, it's always discussed in all three components, means social aspects, environmental aspects, or economic aspects. That's our way, and that's very important, and since a long time our way. And it's two principles that are leading us through all this. It's the principle that we would like to leave the smallest possible footprint on the earth. And the second principle is to keep the highest possible quality of life. That's very important for us. That's leading us. That's leading us when making products. That's leading us when we are doing new business concepts, when we are thinking about strategic new aspects. That's all. Both principles are leading us. And for give you an insight, what we are doing or what we have done until now, we started already in 2008 with our climate protection concept. I'd say climate protection concept. Then at that date, we focused especially on the headquarters. That means we took care about how to save energy, to focus on green electricity, for example, and energy. That was all at that time. And in 2012, we achieved the first time that we could say our headquarters is climate neutral. All we did there was climate neutral. But then we were working on even more. That means for the headquarters, okay, but then we decided in 2019 to make a global climate strategy. This was also an important point for us. At that stage, it changed again a little bit. From 2012 to 2009, of course, we did also a lot of efforts to make our business more sustainable. But at that point, we decided to focus on the science-based targets. So we gave us new goals, how to achieve that we can leave less impact and to save especially emissions. The emission point was at that point a really huge one. And I can remember when our management told us, hey, you have to save CO2 emissions or your emissions in total. We said, yeah, okay, super idea, but how can we do? It's really not easy, it's difficult. But anyhow, we said, okay, let's do it. So that was the starting point again for the next step to get even more sustainable. And then in the next slide, you can see in 2019, we made a strategy, and then we worked on get an idea, what is our footprint? It was just an idea to say save emissions. Yes, okay, that's good. That's always good. But we wanted to know what is our footprint? What emissions do we have? And then at that point, we worked on getting more information about how our footprint is. And then finally, in 2022, we achieved again a next goal, which was that all VAUDE products, all products, wherever they are produced, are climate neutral. That means we had all emissions, we knew what we cause, and we could correspondingly say, okay, we invest to make all our products in our range climate neutral.